Removing facial hair can be done in several ways depending on your skin type, sensitivity, and preference. Here's one of the easiest and most effective methods: using a facial razor. This method is simple, affordable, and works well for most skin types. Materials that you will need are a facial razor designed specifically for the face with a small angled blade, a face cleanser, towel, a face oil or aloe vera gel for moisturizing, a mirror. Now here is the step-by-step guide. 1. Cleanse your face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. This will ensure that the razor glides smoothly over your skin. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. 2. Prepare your skin. Apply a few drops of facial oil, aloe vera gel, or a moisturizing serum to your skin. This helps create a protective layer that reduces friction and prevents irritation. Ensure that your face is completely dry after applying the oil to avoid tugging. 3. Hold the razor correctly. Use a facial razor designed specifically for delicate areas like your face. It should have a small blade that's easy to control. Hold the razor at a 45-degree angle against your skin, ensuring you're not holding it too flat or too upright. 4. Start shaving. Begin shaving in short, gentle strokes in the direction of hair growth. This minimizes the risk of irritation or ingrown hairs. Focus on areas like the upper lip, cheeks, chin, and forehead if necessary. Keep the skin you're working on taut by gently pulling it with your free hand. This allows the razor to glide smoothly. Avoid going over the same area multiple times to prevent irritation. 5. Clean the razor regularly. Rinse the razor after every few strokes to clear off the hair and dead skin it collects. Keep the razor sharp. If the blade starts to dull, replace it to avoid pulling or nicking your skin. 6. Aftercare. Once you're done, gently rinse your face with cool water. Pat dry and apply a soothing, hydrating product like aloe vera gel, a lightweight moisturizer, or facial oil. Avoid any harsh exfoliants, retinol, or acids for at least 24 hours after shaving to prevent irritation. Here are some additional tips for you. Shave your face once a week or every few days, depending on your hair growth. Shaving your face not only removes hair but also exfoliates dead skin, making your skin smoother and allowing makeup to apply more evenly. For sensitive skin, test a small area first to ensure your skin won't get irritated. Let me know if you'd like to explore any other methods like threading, waxing, or using depilatory creams. Subscribe to the channel for more relatable content like this.